And how to totes back with another new video. And in this video I'll guide you how to use Muslim AI companion application. So first of all, you need to install it in your device, then tap the open button. So you can see allow and get started, sign and create account to continue. So you need to sign or continue through browser. So no, this time I'm just going to use app. So tap get started, then you have to create your account. So continue with Google, it's really easy. So complete authentication, so you can see here it successfully created your account, no ads, full experience, premium. So you can see here, maybe later. So it's loading now, wait a second. So AI companion, so if you tap here view all, then you will see all the AI companion. So the rest of the chatbot, it's premium, but only to young university student, the voice grandfather. So to chatbot is ready to give you answer and it's free. Chat start. So you can see here, it's if chat is not available, please try to refresh. I said hi. So Grandpa Hassan. So you can change it on the language. So you need to change the language. So you can see here, first of all, you can set it English, okay, and you can set another way. So please set language is support Apache language. 36 language they supported. And I said how are you. So this way actually you can ask anything in English. So if you want to premium, then tap here, then you can see only $1 for per month for premium subscription. So you can see here companions refresh, you can change, you can delete your app